updates with Lyric Muso. We start off with Elaine going global with Columbia Records. Elaine is an R&B singer and songwriter signed by Columbia Records, owned by Sony Music Entertainment. The record label is known for its major artists such as Beyonce, Celine Dion, Adele, and Alicia Keys. Elaine recently dropped her music video for the track called Risky, where she said that she aimed to educate that it is possible to leave a toxic relationship. When asked about her sentiments about her new journey, she said, and I quote, "I am a representation of every African girl that doesn't want to be boxed in," close quote. And surely South Africa is making moves when thinking about Nasty C signing to Def Jam Recordings just a few months ago. Speaking of Nasty C, he has dropped his new hit called Zulu Man. This is his 5th track from the first release album under Def Jam International.
I'ma just say it louder. I'ma go ahead and say it louder. I'm a Zulu man with some power, yeah. Zulu man with some power. Zulu man with some power.
The highly anticipated hashtag AMN has made its first leak. Yes, Cassper Nyovest will be releasing his album AMN any minute now on September 11th. He had previously stated that he would not be releasing any song prior to the release date, but Cassper made an exception with a track called Bonginkosi featuring Zola 7. The song got mixed reviews, with most expecting a few bars from the respective artists. The song was released on the 21st of August and carries a message of gratitude to God for always being there for one. Next, P.O and Black Lace had the streets buzzing with the postponement of their collaborative album Lost Diamonds. The anticipated album was set to drop on 21st August, but has since been postponed to the 27th of August. A media release was shared with the public stating the reason behind the postponement is due to logistics. The album also features the likes of Ndatestana and Kulichana. I hope they will not postpone it again, because people think that the only reason behind the postponement was because Cassper and Nasty C would be dropping the same day that they would have. Miss Cosmo published her all-female assembled project this past week in a song called Baningi. Miss Cosmo features Majozi, Koala, as well as Nelisiwe, Sibiya. The core message is that women are a force to be reckoned with. In the light of Women's Month and the increasing number of gender-based violent cases in South Africa, Rouge powered up with Amanda Black to produce a song paying homage to the victims of gender-based violence. The song, titled Senzeni means "What have we done?" and the song alludes to the struggle of Black people during the times of apartheid. Thank you, South Africa. No Kistar for real. Focalistic's track Kistar has been certified gold. What a way to close today's updates. The song stands at 1 million streams on Apple Music. The gold status means a lot to Focalistic, you know. The song also made its way to being the theme song on SABC1. That's all that we have for you today. If you have suggestions, just hit us up in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe. This will happen every week. Do not forget to put thumbs up over there. Thank you so much. This was South African Music Updates, brought to you by Lyric Muso.